Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now all of you open your EVS textbook, page number 118. Okay, 118. And our new chapter, a house like this. Okay. And this is your PT2 syllabus chapter, and this chapter is PT2. Okay. So a house like this. A house means where we live after our when we come back home, then we live in these places. And a house is a very safety places, or a house or a home is very close to us. Okay, so in this chapter we have learned that different houses like boat, houseboat, igloo, stilt house, pakka house, kacha house. Okay, so see in your book, page number 118. Okay, so my name is Nasim and I live in Srinagar. Srinagar is a hilly area. Okay, and since yesterday there is a lot of activity in our school and it will go on for a week. Do you know why? And there is a camp being held in our school, and children have come from many places for the camp, and tents have been put up in the ground for everyone to stay. Okay, then I repeat again. The author, my name is Nasim and I live in Srinagar. Since yesterday there is a lot of activity in our school and it will go on for a week. And do you know why? There is a camp being held in our school and children have come from many places for the camp to join this camp, and tents have been put up in the ground for everyone to stay. See in your book, this is the picture of tent. Okay, and tent have been put up in the ground to stay everyone. Next, we have decorated the school beautifully. Some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers for the doors, and some have made posters using almond shells, while others have made rangolis using dry leaves and sawdust. Okay, so their school a festival or somehow the school is decorated beautifully, and some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers for the doors, and some have made posters using almond shells, while others have made rangolis using dry leaves and sawdust. Okay, and next, to show diversity in houses, examples from some places like Assam, Rajasthan, Delhi and hilly areas have been used. Okay, different types of diversity of houses. Suppose in Assam different types of houses are decorated, then in Delhi different types of houses are decorated in different things like rangolis, lights, paper cutting. Okay, and children will understand the structure of these houses better if they are aware of the climate condition in which these houses are built. Okay. So next, today is the first day of the camp, because there is a camp in their school, and there is a camp being held in their school, and children come from different places, and tents have been put the ground. Okay, and next, today is the first day of the camp, and we are very happy. In the morning, we all got together and sat down on the ground in a circle, and each of us introduced ourselves and spoke about where we came from and what we like to eat. Okay, different children came from different places, so each of us introduced ourselves and spoke about where we came from and what we like to eat. And children brought pictures of their families and their homes also, and everyone spoke about their homes. And Bhupen's group was the first to talk. Okay, Bhupen introduced himself and said, see in your book, so first one, this is Bhupen. Okay, first Bhupen introduced himself and said, okay, this is the Bhupen, and it is the house of Bhupen's. Okay, so Bhupen's first introduced, I have come from Molan village in Assam. Okay, so he is come from Assam, and it rains heavily in our places, and hence our houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground. Okay, so in Assam's heavy rainfalls places, and so their houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground, and they are made on strong bamboo pillars. Okay, and the insides of our houses are also made of wood. So first one, Bhupen's house. Bhupen came from Assam, and their houses are made of almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground, because in Assam's it rains heavily in their places. Okay, so their houses are almost top areas, almost placed in 10 to 12 feet above the ground. Okay, and they are made on strong bamboo pillars that we call stilt house. Okay, the insides of our houses are almost made of wood. Okay, so in these places we have learned that a house like this. So in this topic we have learned different types of houses in different states or different places, and here a camp is going on, and many children came from different places for the camp. And when the first day of the camp, each of them introduced themselves and spoke about where they came from and what they like to eat, and children brought pictures also of their families and their homes. Okay, so first one, Bhupen introduced himself first, and he came from the Molan village of Assam, and their houses are made of almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground, and they are made on strong bamboo pillars, and the inside of their houses are also made of wood. Okay, thank you.